Namaste. This is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu. Welcome to this session, everyone. A very, very, very important session. But before that, here is something I wanted to tell you. I've been telling you, but let me tell you again. So, I'm really proud of all of you because this 2020 was filled with uncertainties, and there were lots of questions and confusions. Maybe from board hoga ya nahi, to offline hoga, online hoga, when, how, what about the question paper pattern, what about the syllabus. So of course this year has been like a roller coaster ride. So I don't even know how many of you are happy with the exam being postponed. So let me know in the comment section, but the way you have handled is really nice. So good job everyone. Stay strong. Okay, so here is the 4-month strategy for CBSE 10th board preparations. Of course, you ICSE students might be worried about us, but as soon as the dates will be released, so we'll be the first ones to come up with the strategy. Do not worry about it. So what about the 4-month strategy for CBSE 10th board examination? Before that, as you have enough time, if you have not joined the pro subscription yet, so where it's a platform where you get almost everything, and if you have any needs, if you have any problems, if you are looking for a solution with respect to only the online education, so I guess this is the right platform to study at from all the amazing master teachers, where there will be in-class doubt solving, tests will be conducted regularly, assignments will be shared with you, and you will get the handwritten notes of master teachers. There will be interactive replays where you can play the quiz and be on the leaderboard. So that is less is more, because with the pro subscription we are giving you a lot. That is, there will be free micro courses, crash courses, everything. For how much? So that's what I was talking about. Less is more. So only if you use the coupon code SURPRO. SURPRO is my coupon code. I'm sure most of you are aware of it. So more number of classes, obviously you have to pay less. So what is the coupon code? It is SURPRO. Now coming to the important part, that is 4-month strategy for class board exam. The first thing, so here is a very, summarize. Let me just summarize. Okay? So first, the fastest way to learn is detailed study. So always start with, because I've seen people only, even if you have 4 months. So even if you start from zero also, you can score very well. So let's utilize the time. Let's have a better plan. So always start with a detailed study and then solve the previous year question papers, and then when you are solving, when you are studying, you will know, right? So this is something I can't generalize. So it is only you can tell, only you can know. Achha, so this is a topic or a subject where I am weaker. So obviously you have to focus more on that. You have to give more time on that topic, subject. Then short notes review. So I'm sure you all have been preparing your own notes. That is very, very important. During the session also, just write something. Always something in your own handwriting is very, very, very important. So these are the just a quick summary of how to learn, fastest way to learn. Now, so set goal, make a plan, get to work, stick to it, reach your goal. Then we'll be on the other side to say you good job. So it's not about scoring 100 on 100, the highest marks. It's about how well you have been preparing, how well what is the amount of the efforts which you are putting. That is very, very important, which is obviously, if you are working hard, that will be visible, right? So know your exam date, we know that. So the exam starts at 4th May, maybe 2-3 days may, there will be a difference, but it's on 4th May. So you have 120 days. 120 days is a lot, so we can do a lot of things. So how much time do you have? 120 days, that is 4,800 hours, and we have only 5 chapters. So this is, I'm only talking about chemistry part, okay? So even if you spend 1.5 hours each day, 3 days a week, not every single day, 3 days a week, that will be more than sufficient. 1.5 hours each day, 3 days a week. So how much do we need to prepare for? We have only 5 chapters, है ना? Chemical reactions and equation, acids, bases and salts, metals and non-metals, carbon and its compounds, periodic classification of elements. That too we have to follow only the reduced syllabus. So of course we have taught you the deleted portions as well, because that is very very important for the grade 11 or the competitive exams. But if you are preparing for the boards, please do not study the deleted portions. It's not at all necessary. So 16 weeks. So remember, we have to prepare for reduced syllabus. Let me tell you again. So if you look at the weightage and all that, most of the questions will be asked from metals and non-metals, carbonates, compounds. So of course all the 5 chapters are important, so I don't want you to leave any, because we have enough time in our hands to study everything, to learn everything, to understand every concept. But you should know the weightage, that is also very important. So first is, we'll start with our 10 weeks preparation, then 5 weeks revision, 1 week super revision. So how to work it out? Need to study only 3 days a week. Yes. So 10 weeks, 5 chapters people. So 2 weeks per chapter is enough. So 1.5 hours a day. So you are getting almost 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, that is 4.5, 9 hours per chapter. I guess that is more than enough. That too, because when you look at carbon and its compounds and metals and non-metals, so most of it has been reduced. है ना? So 1.5 hours a day, 1 week only for 3 days. This is only for chemistry. So in the same way, maybe you can make a plan for other subjects as well, because we are taking only 3 days, that too only your 1.5 hours for chemistry, or maybe other subjects as well. Maybe you might need more time for math, I believe, but yeah, it's up to you how you want to plan. So you have 4.5 hours a week. So we'll devote 2 weeks for one chapter, that is 9 hours per chapter. So what are we going to study? That is also very important. So days, so you have 6 days, right? So day 1 and 2, 3 hours, that is 1.5. So you have to study everything. You have to read everything, your notes and the textbook, or the notes which is given by your tuitions or the school, or here even in the YouTube also you get the PDF, right? So just go through everything, and you will be, what are you getting? Most of the concept, because you are not leaving anything, right? You are learning the whole thing, you are reading everything. So this is where you will get to know, day 1, day 2 this is where you will get to know, acha, so I am having trouble with understanding this concept, or this concept is thoda sa difficult for me. So then what you have to do is, day 3 and 4 again 3 hours, so you can watch the YT videos from Vedanta or any other online platform also, it's completely fine, so that you can have a better understanding, right? So the thing is, every teacher teaches you in a different way, so they have their own style of teaching. So maybe like if you watch few videos, you will be able to understand that concept which you find very difficult, maybe in an easy manner, so that will help you. So 3 and 4, that is 3 hours from day 3 and 4, we will watch the videos and we will understand the concepts which were difficult, or maybe we'll watch everything. Okay? So day 5 and 6, 3 hours. So this is very very important. I don't want you to be lazy, I want you to be proactive and work. So practicing is very important. Maybe NCERT exercises, exemplar, previous year question papers, sample paper, we are practicing. Next is revision. Okay, so you have 5 chapters, 5 weeks. So we are done with the 6 days, right? Okay, so first chapter, 1 week, 1 hour per day. We need only 1 hour, that's it. So 1 chapter per week, that is you have 5 weeks, 5 chapters. So day 1, what are we going to study? We'll make the quick notes. So like once you have done, so you can just write down the summary of the whole chapter, right? Brief explanation. Acha, so if you have been solving the previous year question paper, if you have been watching the video, so you will observe the teacher will be stressing on few important terms or the topics, so those will be very very important. So make the quick notes revision, and then or maybe if you already have the notes, you can just go through it. And day 2, so you can watch the sprint or the VIP series. Of course we have not started it yet on our channel, but very soon we'll be doing that too. So day 3, so practicing questions is very very important, and day 4, mock test. Maybe very soon we will be coming up with a series where we will be having mock tests for the exams. like maybe through Menti or some other way. So we are still figuring out a way, but very soon we'll be, you know, we will have that series as well. So next is super revision. Okay, we are done. Detailed study ho gaya, revision ho gaya, then super revision. So how many days we have? We have only 1 week. So 1 week mein 5 chapter. So 1 chapter per day, 1.5 hours a day is enough. So that is 5 chapters. You will be getting almost 1.5 hours for a chapter. See, you will have enough time. We are not we are not asking you to study for 6 and 7 hours. No, 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 no. So this is the difference between a student with a proper plan, a to-do list or a target, and the student without any plan, which are just sitting and studying for hours together. So now we have given you the strategy, but the disclaimer, so you don't have to stick to the same one. So this is the idea which we have come up with. Maybe we thought, acha, this is a better plan, this is a better strategy for the students. So if you already are following some different one, or if you are very comfortable with the way you are studying now, so you can stick to it. So we are not forcing you, yes, only if you study, only if you follow this strategy you will be able to score well. No, nothing like that. So however you want to study, just learn and study, practice, but do it with lots of love. That's what I ask, because you know, only when you enjoy it, I feel your body also, your brain also thinks, okay, so Surabhi actually loves doing it, so let's help her, you know. That's as simple as that. Okay, so this is the strategy which I wanted to tell you, the 4 months one. So tell me in the comment section, you know, if you have a better strategy than this. So I'm sure it will be helpful for your friends as well, or even I can get some notes, get some points from that. Or you know, if you know, did you find this strategy helpful? So let me know in the comment section, because that's the only way I can know, you know, what I have to do and whether the videos which we are putting are helpful or not. So go to the comment section and write your thoughts. And if you want to take up the pro subscription, you can visit the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Use the coupon code SURPRO for additional 20% discount. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Come on people, it's free, right? Yeah. And click on the bell icon too. Keep supporting us. Thank you so much for your love, and happy learning people. Yes, the coupon code is SURPRO. So because you know, if you go with the 3 months subscription, you will be paying only 9 rupees per class, but 1 month may you will be paying the 11 rupees. So whichever you are okay with, you can go for it. But if you use the coupon code SURPRO, you'll be getting additional discount from my side, because you are attending my sessions. So thank you so much, and if you have any queries, any doubts, if you want to say something, then you can always reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedanta.com. So I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care. Keep loving chemistry, elementary chemistry by Vedanta. Bye bye.